Today, in this building, the United Nations Human Rights Council is meeting to address the infamous Agenda Item 7, which is the only permanent item that this council has regarding a specific country, regardless of the context of each meeting. It is a tragic coincidence that with this biased agenda of the Human Rights Council, we must address the atrocities committed by Hamas on October 7, particularly the involvement of UNRWA staff in the deadliest attack on Jewish people in a single day since the Holocaust. In light of the recent evidence revealing that at least 12 UNRWA staff members were directly involved in acts of terrorism against innocent people in southern Israel, we must confront the big elephant in the room. Is UNRWA part of the solution or perhaps part of the problem? Contrary to some hypocritical voices dismissing the UNRWA staff's involvement as a few rotten apples, the truth is that the whole institutional infrastructure of UNRWA is rotten. Unlike the mission of the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, UNRWA's mandate does not seek to resolve the status of Palestinian refugees. Since 1949, UNRWA's mission has been to perpetuate the transgenerational and never-ending refugee status of Palestinians. This obsolete approach prevents the establishment of grounds for a peaceful resolution of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. On the contrary, UNRWA's mandate lends legitimacy to the radical slogan, "From the river to the sea." Furthermore, UNRWA's educational materials actively endorse violence against Israel and propagate hatred towards the Jewish people. This indoctrination is not incidental, but a deliberate choice by UNRWA's leadership, aligning with the Hamas-controlled curriculum which advocates for the killing of all Jews. Since 1949, UNRWA schools have had the authority to adopt or reject the educational curricula of local authorities. It is a consciousness decision of UNRWA's leadership to embrace the educational curricula of the Palestinian Ministry of Education under Hamas control. Yes, I'm referring to the same Hamas whose foundational charter calls for fighting the Jews and killing them. One of Hitler's initial actions upon assuming power was to revise German textbooks. By 1939, enough young people had been indoctrinated to join the Nazi Party and perpetrate the atrocities committed against the Jewish people during the Holocaust. We need to stop UNRWA's radicalization of Palestinian society before it's too late, if it's not already. While Commissioner General Lazzarini may continue to pledge internal reviews, the reality remains. UNRWA is not a solution, but a central problem of the ongoing radicalization of Palestinian society and the perpetuation of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. We urge UN member states to continue the trend of defunding UNRWA until this agency undergoes substantial reform. Thank you.